Good morning. Just a quick poll for today, and I hope that you have a great day, and I hope that you have been having a great day. But with that being said, we did get the Justice card, which isn't a bad card to start out with for the daily energy, but it does mean that what you give is what you get. So if you're going to be negative, if you're going to be overthinking, if you're going to worry all the time, that is kind of the energy of the day that you are going to go into. And yes, energetically, this is how it works. How you treat yourself is how others are going to treat you. You always hear that. But at the core of it, this is basic neuroplasticity. It's basic science. It's how our brains work. If you are constantly sending signals into your brain that things aren't going to work out, that things are difficult, that things are a struggle for you today, that you are in pain today, then that is the way that your brain is going to function, and showing you evidence to prove to you that those facts, which aren't facts, they're just matters of perspective, are going to be true for you. So remember the importance of intention. If you set good intentions, your brain is going to scientifically show you information of why those intentions are going to be beneficial for you. And even in the mornings, this is very important because our brains are like sponges when we're just waking up because of the chemicals that are pushed into the brain. And I'm not going to quote any because I don't remember which ones they are, but the way that neuroplasticity works, we are sponges in the morning. So if you've ever notice that if you reach for your phone first thing in the morning, then you have the urge to doom scroll for the rest of the day or check your emails the rest of the day. But if you pick up a book and read a couple of pages right when you wake up, you're going to have the urge to read more throughout the day. If you meditate first thing in the morning, you're going to set a better intention for the rest of the day. If you do anything else in the morning, exercise, stretch, you're going to have the urge to do more of those things. And some things are more beneficial than others. Some things are healthier than others and can help you succeed in everything that you do instead of being a little bit emotional in a bad way, instead of being a little bit depressed, instead of being unmotivated. We have a lot of cards falling out today. Short reading, I guess not. But we have the King of Swords falling out, the Nine of Swords falling out, which is about, again, that sense of intention that if you're going to send negativity to yourself, your brain is just going to prove to you that your negativity is how you are meant to see the world today. And we have the Devil card falling out as well, which again implies that sense of lust. The more that you fuel the flames, the more fire you are going to have, but the more that you try to control the way that you speak, especially about yourself and the things that you think about, the better off you are going to be. If you're going to be negative, you are going to spiral through it, which I know is easier said than done to get out of those spirals, but you really have to force yourself and be the dictator of your own words, the dictator of your own mind, and actually take control and responsibility for the things that you say to yourself, about yourself. You're going to have a better time in setting better intentions. You're going to have more energy. You're going to feel better. So think better, think brighter, set better intentions, and remember that what you give is what you get.